In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a .tax file from Turbotax online. So if you've been working on your tax returns and you're ready to save all of your hard work, stick around. We're going to break it down into simple steps to make sure you have everything you need right at your fingertips. First, we'll head over to the Turbotax official site. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the web address, or simply search for Turbotax on your search engine to get to their homepage. Turbotax is a trusted tool that makes filing taxes online much easier. You'll find countless resources and advice there as well, should you ever need a bit more information about your taxes. Once you arrive at the Turbotax site, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that. It's located in the upper right corner of the page, and this step is crucial because you need to be logged in to access your tax documents. If it's been a while since you last logged in, you might have to enter your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. After signing into your account, you should find yourself on the Turbotax homepage. This central hub is where you can see the summary of your tax activities and navigate to different sections. Now we're going to focus on finding where those important documents are stored. Look for the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This tab is typically located just below your account information and is clearly marked. Clicking on it will direct you to a list that shows all your documented tax returns and any documents you've worked on or submitted using Turbotax. At this point, it's crucial to ensure you have everything set, because if you haven't filed your taxes with Turbotax yet, you'll see an alert or notification. This is just a reminder that filing needs to be completed to ensure your information is properly saved and secured. Don't worry if you haven't filed yet, because that just means you still have the opportunity to make adjustments or complete any missing parts. Now that you've located the section with your tax documents, saving your tax file should be straightforward. Select the document you wish to save. There often will be a download or save option readily available. Click on it and your tax file will start downloading promptly, ensuring you have a copy stored on your device for safekeeping. Remember, saving a .tax file not only provides you with a backup of your hard work, but also speeds up processes next tax season. Keeping digital copies is a smart way to manage your financial records easily through the years. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me, and happy tax filing.